Now, as I've said before in a previous episode, I am an incredibly bad car owner. So one of the things that I should have done ages ago, but never got around to it due to various reasons, is new tyres. So my tyres are pretty worn. They're pretty worn. I'll show you exactly how bad they are now. So these are the front ones. Now, I don't know if you can actually see it properly, but they're pretty okay. They're still sort of legal, but they're wearing a bit on the side. Now, the ones that I'm mostly ashamed of are the ones at the back here, because I mean, that is just... let's get in there. See the way that, there's still some profile on it, but it's not exactly staggering. So I'm off to the garage to try and get them to fit the 4 tyres that I've bought. So I'm hoping to get this installed now today. These are brand spanking new 16-inch. Where can you see it? Michelin Energy EV tyres. In case anyone wonders, 4 new Zoe tyres fit neatly in the boot of the car. I'm now off to a garage to try and get them installed. Now, if I... Installed? They're not installed, they're fitted. So I'm now off to the garage to try and get them fitted. And if they allow me to film inside, I will obviously film. If I'm not allowed to film, I will see you guys afterwards. Can you tell which one hasn't been used? That is absolutely shocking. Right. Don't do what Uncle Jan does. Don't wear them down too far. That was handy. Just turn the other light on, you might actually be able to see me because the sunlight is fading. It's winter now after all. So that was quick and easy. Oh my god, those tyres are worn. Yeah, that definitely would explain the slight slippage that I felt in the corners for the last few months. Yeah, so like I said, don't do what I do. Please replace your tyres more often than I do. But 4 new tyres underneath my car, which means that I should be all ready for my 1,000 kilometer challenge, which I'm hoping to do in the next few weeks. It's just a matter of trying to find time and decent weather.